We have come because of Parliament. Come again?
There is someone who is getting out.
Can we talk from inside? Are we not allowed to access? Why aren't we allowed to access? Are you one of the directors here?
Tourist, I told you already.
And the one is your director.
What do you want? So now, you tell your boss that we are here to do our work. We have not come here for a casual visit or whatever the case might be. Because now she's not listening to me. Maybe she will listen to you.
So I think maybe she's going by the letter.
But she's not getting back to me.
They are not ready to talk to you. That is what the letter is saying.
And I want to know what, because now that she's here, I want her to tell me what the issue is.
How do you confirm that?
And Mr. Secretary, you only have the liberty to determine when to talk to us when we don't have taxpayers' money. But if we get taxpayers' money,
and whatever we are doing here, we are doing it for the good of
because there must be procedure. Procedure for sure. This is an organization.
That's what we are telling you.
You're not supposed, however much,
and
Parliament does not request. I know you are doing your work.